the Barmy Army is probably a similar concept to a lot of Pakistani fans, as I've met in the last couple of days, in the sense that it is a community of supporters who are passionate about cricket and love the game, to support the England cricket team and spread the joy of cricket around the world, as we are doing at the moment in Pakistan.
Barmy Army was founded in 1994-1995, where three friends went backpacking to Australia. As they were out there backpacking in Australia, the England men were playing in the Ashes against Australia. But unfortunately England were not doing very well. They were getting beat quite heavily by the Australians, and the Australian press decided to brand them the Barmy Army. Barmy because there were so many of them, and what were they doing still out there in the sun getting sunburned and just having an enjoyable time when England were getting battered, and an army just by the sheer volume of how many people there were.
So we have around 35,000 members all around the world, and no requirements really. As Chris said, it's more if you love the game and you're respectful towards others and you abide by our rules, you can be a member.
People have many reasons for travelling. Some people save up for many years, some people don't need to save up because they've been more fortunate than others, and it's all about personal preference. We have people that are milkmen and postmen that come on tour and they save their dates for their holiday, but they also save up money. But then we've also got retired businessmen. We did have fears before visiting Pakistan. I think a lot of what you read in the media and a lot of what you see in the press is around security, around terrorism threats, and around things that people are naturally going to be scared of, because thankfully they've been put in place, and it's been a really secure, safe tour. We've been so impressed with how well it's been dealt with. The hotels have been incredible, the security at the ground is incredible, and I think it just puts everyone's mind at ease that it is a safe place to come.
Yeah, no, my mother was definitely quite anxious. I know a lot of people you speak to and you say, oh, I'm going to Pakistan, they may go, oh wow. Experiences like this and us going back home and telling our friends and family hopefully will improve the long-term situation and really showcase Pakistan as a legitimate destination to go and travel to. And that's before you even think about the mountains in the north, the amazing food in Lahore and so on. So yeah, I think Pakistan's great.